Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to make caramelized onion dip. Here's the ingredients that we need. Peel onion and slice them very thinly. 2 tablespoons white wine. Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 cup cream cheese, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon sugar and salt, 3 tablespoons of butter. Heat the butter in a pan or skillet over medium heat. Add the onion. Saute for 10 to 15 minutes. Sprinkle with salt and sugar. Add half of the white wine. After it reduces, add the rest. Simmer for 10 more minutes or until it's caramelized. Cut into small pieces. Add the cream cheese, sour cream, add a splash of Worcestershire. Mix it until they combine together. And we are done for our homemade caramelized onion dip. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get notified to our next video. Bye bye!